Hi, my name is Janice DeMudd. 3 years ago, I had serious problems with credit cards. I had accumulated massive debt and didn't know how I was going to get out. Um, Finally, I ran across the number for debt helpers, called, got myself in the program. Just knew that I was going to destroy my credit by getting into the program. Well, that's not what happened. Instead of my credit score going down, my credit score went up. I was able to manage my monthly payments and get myself out of debt. Needless to say, all the credit cards have been paid. They are all at zero balance thanks to debt helpers. And Susan, thank you especially. Calling me, counseling me, helping me to know which ones that I wanted to concentrate on first to get paid off. Thank you and goodbye.